Hi there, check out the RAZCC Clear Packing Tape, 24 rolls of heavy-duty tape with dispensers for easy use. Each roll is 2 inches wide and 65 yards long, giving you a total of 1560 yards of strong, clear tape. The tape features a high-quality BOPP acrylic adhesive that sticks firmly and holds up through heavy-duty packaging and shipping. Its thick, tough design resists tearing, splitting, and can handle rough handling or long-distance transit. This set includes 4 handheld dispensers with sharp blades that cut tape quickly and neatly every time. Perfect for packing, sealing boxes, securing labels, and even removing dust or pet hair. Use this reliable tape at home, office, or depot for all your packaging needs. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.